In this video, I'll show you how to use Airtable with a YouTube channel. Now, if you do have a YouTube channel, I do suggest that you use a template. Now, the reason why we are using templates is because we can see how much Airtable can go. So on the left-hand side on the navigation panel, head over to the bottom, choose Templates and Applications. From here, a pop-up will show. At the top and the left corner, search for a template. And from here, let's just search for video. Now, at the bottom, you have different types of videos. One is a video production, a digital video, and an in-house. For YouTube, you want to choose the second option, which is the digital video production template. Now, a preview of the template will show, but if you want to try it out immediately, on the left-hand side, you can just simply try this template. Now, it will ask you for a workspace. Simply click on the drop-down, and let's say you want to add this within the VA. At the bottom, click on Create. You can also create a workspace solely for YouTube. But once you click on Create, it will start creating the template for you. And once that's done, as you can see, we already have a digital video production. So on the left-hand side, you can change the design. You can automate the work with field agents with Omni AI. But what you can also do from here is check out each and every table. So we have here a video tracker. From here, we have all of the videos, the status trackers, the live videos, or the video shoot schedule, the release. You also have the project leads, the agencies. As you can see, there are a lot of views that are automatically fixed for you. But if you want to edit a field, head over to all videos. On the right hand side, let's say you want to change a video name in the series, let's say to education. Let's set this as example. At the bottom, if we head over to the video thumbnails, you will automatically see the example that we have edited. So the best way to do it is head over to all videos, change it to all of the videos that you have created, and it will automatically match it within the views. Now, if you did change one of the fields in here, it will automatically change it to its connected tables, such as the staff directory. In here, you have all of your team, the agencies, the agency contacts, the scenes, shots, locations, props, and equipment. As you can see, you can change and remove some of the things in here that will match YouTube. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.